everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today is a two-part video. So first I have a Stitch Fix unboxing, and then stay tuned to the end because I have a special visit with a friend at the mall that you might want to check out. Okay, so I got a good box today. Everything in this box is definitely my style. I know it's not going to be a 5 for 5 just because I'm really trying hard to make wise choices for my closet so I don't have duplicates, but I do love everything. All right. First up is this sweater. It's a short sleeve sweater called the Evolution by Cyrus Braided Short Puff Sleeve Sweater, and they're calling this color salmon. All right. Kind of salmon. So it's coming over much brighter on the screen. I would call this more of a cantelope versus a salmon. Salmon to me is a little bit more pinker, and this is more on the peachier side. And I do not own anything in this color. And it's actually a color I've been looking for. And it has the puff sleeves, so that's right on trend. It's a soft knit, perfect for spring, and it's a ribbed knit. So I'm very excited to try this on. This is very much likely a keeper because it's nothing like what I own. So I'm very excited for this. All right, let me tell you what the fabric content is because I know people are interested in that. Let's see, and this is my normal size extra small. This one is 80% rayon, 20% nylon. It's saying hand wash separately, cold water, and lay flat to dry. This is the type of item I would put in a garment bag in my machine on delicate with other like items like this, and then lay it across either my dryer or the washing machine to dry. One thing to note too, if you're doing other laundry like sheets and towels that you do throw in the dryer, right? If you keep your items on top of the dryer while that's running, it helps heat up the item to dry it faster. All right? And this item is $58. The next item I got is this bright pink Michael Kors top. Now, it's coming across hot pink on the viewfinder, and actually the picture of the stock card is hot pink. I would say this is a very bright pink, but would not call it hot pink. This is 98% polyester, 2% spandex, and I wanted to show you the texture. See how that is a texture here? All right. It's cute. It has the banded bottom, right? And it has kind of like a little bit of a, a bell sleeve a little bit, but they're short sleeves. And this is my normal size extra small. And this is the Michael Kors. Let's see if I can get the actual name of it. It's called the Michael Kors kimono top here. And then here it says Michael Kors smocked hem knit, and it cuts off. And they're calling this color pink. Now I wanted to show you what I already have in my wardrobe in similar colors. So this is a hot pink, all right? This I would definitely call a hot pink. And I wanted to compare the two colors next to each other so you can get an idea of how they compare. This is a Vince Camuto blouse I got quite some time ago from a trunk club when they were still having stylists. That's how long ago it is, all right? So you can understand this is not quite a hot pink. I also have this blouse that's floral in my wardrobe, and this is like more of like an orangey pink. So I think I could theoretically add this to my closet if it fits nicely. I will make that determination when I try it on. Okay. Next item I got is this sweater by Lety Me. This is the Sour Textured V-neck sweater in gray, size extra small, super soft, fine knit. All right, let's look at the items. 79% rayon, 21% polyester. This is a knit sweater. It has delicate little cable stitching down the front, and it has a cute little button detail here on the sleeve, and it is kind of like split open like this. I do like this. I like this a lot. It's just a question of, can I justify it to put it in my closet? And this is the Lety Me Sour Texture V-neck sweater in gray, $44. Not a bad price for a cute little sweater. Okay, and I do have a gray puff sleeve sweater that's short sleeve. So again, I don't think I can justify another fine spring sweater in that kind of color. All right, next up are these pants by Lila Ryan. They're the Peyton straight leg pant in teal green. So these are quite bright. They are a size 0. And they're $88, and let's see if I can come up with a name. Peyton straight leg, okay? And I'll look at the fabric content. All right, it's machine wash cold, wash with light colors, turn inside out, do not dry, tumble dry low. 97% cotton, 3% spandex. So it's good fabric quality. It's nice. It has, you know, a little button back detail for the belt loop. It has the pork chop pockets in front, and it's a straight leg style that came cuffed, okay? Very, very nice. I like these. My only issue with these, and I'm thinking about it, is I have these in teal green, much darker green, all right? So I'm gonna have to see how these fit. You know, I guess they're different colors and I don't own anything this color, that's for sure. So I'll just have to see how they fit and whether or not I can justify them, okay? Last thing I got was a pair of shoes. Now, if these don't scream Carolyn, then I don't know what does. These are totally my style. So they're like an accordion or folded over. It's fabric here, and then it's the espadrille style here, okay? They are not a platform, but there is definitely a cushy bed there. And these are the Me Too shoes. I've never heard of this brand. The Bellini Toe Wedge. And these are in beige, size 7, not a bad price, $59.95. Believe it or not, I am looking for an espadrille shoe, right? This is exactly what I want, but I really want a closed toe, and I think I'm gonna hold out for that because I wanna wear it like when it's, you know, like 60 degrees. Maybe I'm just not quite ready yet to show my toes. I was really hoping for a closed toe espadrille, but these are totally my style, totally like I may try them on to see how they fit, because if they fit really well, I might end up getting them because they're really cushy and they're a pretty decent price, all right? All right, well, give me a minute and I'm gonna start doing the try on. Okay, first item are the pants. These surprise me. These are a possibility. They're quite bright. I don't really own any bright colored pants. Well, I have yellow pants and I do have a pair of coral, but like nothing this color. And they're very comfortable. The waistband's kind of stretchy. So let me try and show you the back here. So I wouldn't say there's gapping per se. Let me come a little bit closer so you can see. You know, it's an actual stretchy waistband, similar to what like the Democracy would use, or at least there's enough stretch in it that it is comfortable. I thought originally it was pulling on the pockets, but now that I look at it, it doesn't look like it's pulling. Like when I first put them on, I thought they were pulling, but now it does not. My stylist suggested I use this gray sweater to match with it. I think it goes perfectly fine. I like the sweater. It's super soft. It's really cute. It's perfect for our spring, but I'm just having a hard time justifying it when I have this gray one, okay? If I was gonna wear a gray sweater with it, I would use this one and not buy a duplicate. Like I said, I'm really trying hard not to buy duplicates. So the sweater is definitely a no. The pants are a maybe. Let me pan down to show you the shoes, all right? So the shoes are quite adorable and they're quite comfortable and they fit well. And they're only $60, which I don't think is a bad price. Now, the question is, does Carolyn need them or not? And the answer is no. So I think I'm gonna be a no on these, but we shall see. All right, give me a minute and I'm gonna try on the next outfit. Okay, up next is the hot pink blouse as I bump into the couch. And I have very little daylight time left to film this, so I'm gonna have to move this along. So what do you think of the blouse? You know, it's okay. I'm not in love with it. And I have other hot pink blouses. So, I mean, even though it totally fits my style and my lifestyle now, I mean, I like it, but I don't think I love it, and I don't think I need it. Whereas I'm starting to really dig these shoes because the shoes are super comfy, and it's not even like I'm wearing heels at all. And they're only $60, so I think I will get these. And I wasn't planning on getting the shoes, and I am seriously considering the pants. The pants are one of those things that's like, if I don't get them, I think I might regret sending them back. All right, whereas I don't think I'll regret sending this one back because I have other bright pink tops. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna throw on what I call the cantaloupe top. Okay, the last up is the cantaloupe top, and this is a keeper. They're calling it salmon. I would call it more of a cantaloupe color. To me, salmon is a little bit pinker than this, at least the salmon that I've seen. Maybe it's more of a well done salmon. So this is the back of it. It's got the cute little puff sleeves. I want to let you see how it's like ribbed here in front, but the sleeves are not ribbed. And of course it has the banding around here on the sleeves and just a straight bottom, okay? Really cute, soft, comfortable top. And I have nothing this color in my wardrobe. I do have this color, right? It's a printed and it has a little bit of this color in the top, down in here. But yeah, obviously this is quite different and it's a halter style from White House Black Market from years ago. And I have this darker pink sweater, but this is more, not even pink. This is, they call this baked apple. So obviously completely different color. And I don't nothing this color. So this is definite in addition to my wardrobe. I'm thinking it'd be a big mistake not to get the shoes because of the price and how comfortable they are. And I think I regret sending back the pants. So that's what I'm thinking right now. And obviously I'll have to do some Stitch Fix math to see if that makes sense. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And stay tuned because I'm going to string together my little shopping expedition. Hello everyone. It's another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes and I'm off for a trip. I'm meeting someone special, someone who I haven't met before, and stay tuned so you can see who it is. I'll be there probably in about an hour and a half. See you then. Hi, it's me again. I'm just creating some drama and suspense so before you actually see who I'm meeting with. I think you're probably getting a little bit annoyed because you want to see. So give me a second and you'll see that clip. Okay, I'm here at my destination and I'm in my friend's car. Look who's here. Hi! It's Theresa. So we're here at the Deptford Mall and we are just getting together for the first time doing a little shopping today.
We're going to take you with us.
All right, see you later. Hi everyone. So what'd you think of the picture with the bunny? So I'm back, I'm home. It's been probably a week since I've seen Theresa. And unfortunately, I don't have any mall footage. So Theresa has some mall footage that hopefully you'll see. I do not because a couple reasons. One, I'm shy. Two, it's very hard because they have music playing in the background everywhere. So you have to basically turn it off. The sound and then do a voiceover. So I just didn't bother taking any kind of footage of the mall. Definitely had a lot of fun there. And now I'm going to show you the purchases that I've got. All right. So first I got this cute pink loft tank and I thought this would be good for summer to be wearing like with jean shorts and whatnot. And I'll style it for you and how I would wear it. Okay. And then this tank was $14.70. And then I got these Ecru jeans at White House Black Market. All right, the tank was from Loft and the jeans are from White House Black Market. And as you know, I've been looking for these jeans, and I finally found them. Their retail price, unfortunately, is $89, but I do have the 5% off because I'm a card member, loyalist, and they were like $84, I think $55 for me. And I got them my normal size 0 and the classic high-rise boot crop. I don't have any boot crops, so that's very different for me. And it's like an ecru color, and I'll style these for you too. So give me a moment and I'll do a try on. Okay, so I actually have on the top that I wore when I was with Theresa, and I wore it with different bottoms. And my blank NYC Moto jacket in this like sea glass color. This looks really cute together. I'll come over. The top is from Wantable. It's by Lucy Paris. This is like my most favorite name brand right now. And the jacket's blank NYC. And I have the White House Black Market jeans on. And I have them on with my cute little Mary Jane shoes. Who did I get these from? I got these from, I think, Bloomingdale's. And it looks like they're Sam Edelman from what I can see. So yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase, and even though it's a little bit more than I like to spend, I'm extremely happy I finally found a pair of Ecru jeans that fit me. Again, White House Black Market. All right, give me a minute, I'll just pop on the tank for a more casual look. Okay, next up is just the basic tank top, which I'm wearing with my Soma Racer back bra. I think this is just a cute basic tank to throw on for a very casual outfit. You see I'm wearing a pair of distressed jean shorts. They're by Day Tripper, which I think is a Buckle name brand. I'm not 100% positive. Got them years ago in Vegas. probably, oh gosh, 3-4 years ago, and just a pair of flip-flops. And I would wear this on a very casual day and a very hot day during summer. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I got lots more stuff to show you. Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.